Welcome back, guys. Today, or tonight I should say, we're going to be installing this. What is it called, Isaac?
It's the MB?
Yeah, MB.
It's a watt box.
It's a.k.a. the watt box. Two-step. Show you guys how to get it going. First step is move your seat all the way back so us big guys can fit. Next step, disconnect your battery. Perfect. Always disconnect this and tuck this away. Next, you're gonna want to take this panel out right here. All right, now that you got that panel off, you want to take 3 bolts. It's 1, and then 2 and 3 are behind there. And after that, you're gonna want to take this off. Next step, you're gonna run all these wires. So it's supposed to be red and black on the directions, but it's gonna be red and orange. You're gonna run that through the passenger side by the ECU where I showed you guys. Run it up through one of those harnesses. I'm not gonna show you guys what harness because it's a tight squeeze in there, so I'll be wasting you guys' time getting you guys frustrated. So find a hole, poke through the boot, and you're gonna come feed it up to this plug right here. Green one is gonna go to the driver's side. Black one's ground. You go wherever you want with that one. And then blue and yellow are gonna connect to the ECU. So keep this one by the ECU, and these ones will be going over. All right, so first wires we fished through that there firewall is the red and orange wires. So you got to disconnect the plug that's right here on the car. It's slot 34, not that you need to know it's slot 34, but look for the big red wire and go like 3 inches up and cut it. All right, so after you cut the wire from the harness, you cut that. You cut this down to size, the orange or red one, whatever excess you have, cut that off, and you're gonna run the red one to the plug side, and then you're gonna run the orange one going to the coil packs.
You always want to leave an excess on that too.
Yeah, don't cut way up behind here because you're not gonna be able to solder it. So we're gonna get the solder ready, put the heat shrink down on these wires, solder it, and then it'll show you after.
Got it all soldered up, got the heat shrink on there, and we're gonna wrap this up, make it look back factory.
Make it look like it's only new.
Yes, sir.
I'm not here in the state of California. We're a little strict on this as far as what we can do to our vehicles. So when the officer asks exactly what this here is nothing more to help the AC pull a lot faster.
Instead of telling them, this makes me shoot flames. All right, so what you're gonna wanna do for anybody that ain't familiar with these cars, a lot of people install it in their glove box, so take out all your insurance, registration, and owner's manual. And then what you're gonna do is push these. Let me get the better light, a light angle for you guys. You're gonna push these in right here on both sides. So there's gonna be 2 here and there. Push those down and you'll have access to run your wiring and then close it back up. Okay. Isaac's on the passenger side, handling the wire situation over here. Getting that black cover off for the ECU plug to get that blue and yellow wire in. You already got the black wire in. And that's the ground right there. So while he's doing that, I'm over here on the clutch side. Let's see if I can get a good view for you guys. So we're connecting to the clutch switch, which is those 2 green wires right there, okay? You're gonna wanna connect to the one closest to the steering shaft right here, okay? So I'm gonna splice that one in with this green wire. So this green wire goes to that one, the lower one of the plugs. Okay, I'm starting you guys out here because I don't want you guys to get all confused. So got it connected with the connector right there. That bottom one spliced in. And the last 2 wires are up. Pin 21, the dark blue right there, connects to the yellow wire for the watt box. And pin 89, which is gonna be, I think it's gray with a white stripe. That one connects to the blue wire. Now, all we gotta do is tidy everything back up, plug this into the computer, set it up, you're good to go. Now that that's done,
7,
you get the box in,
9,
the handy dandy double-sided tape. Count to 20 Mississippis, and you're good.
13, 14.
Now to make sure everything's connected right, you do the test. Turn the key on, the little LED is gonna turn on. Isaac's gonna explain the rest to you.
So it says key on the car, do not start the engine, put it in the on position, press the gas pedal to the floor, and you should see the LED on the watt box start to blink rapidly. If it doesn't, check your APP. Okay, so we're good there. Don't mind the little door chime. Next, with the gas pedal pressed, push the clutch pedal to the floor and you should see a LED on the watt box briefly go out, then come back on the solid for a second, and then resume the blinking. So that's the
Full throttle
that's the full throttle
or wide open throttle.
clutch, and then it goes back. So that should be good. Next, start the engine. Quickly press the gas pedal to the floor and immediately I ain't gonna do that part because it's 11:23 p.m. and show them our shop.
Bow.
So got people sleeping, but that's pretty much it. I mean, this is pretty much showing that it's working properly. So we'll take it out to the street and see how it does.
Trav eyes is done. Go ahead and hit it one time, Trav. Set perfectly, baby. Look at those numbers. Look at those numbers. I'm just playing. Those ain't even our numbers. That's that online. This is what you're supposed to have it at. Let me see. Where's ours at?
Oh, he switched it to 4,000.
There it is. Let's see what our numbers is at. Nah, ours is 25 and then 350. This is our numbers. So now I'm just gonna go on a test drive.